Hello, hello, hola. This video is for Daniel at D&E DE Foundation Repair. My name is Joseph Graham, right? I'm with UpShot Solutions LLC. We are the #1 online marketing company in Fort Worth, Texas. All right. When I asked for a pretty decent, recommendable foundation repair company in Dallas, somebody said that you guys were pretty awesome. So that's why I'm making this video for you. All right. I want you to know, Daniel, that this map listing, this Google My Business map listing, is the most important asset that you have on the internet. I'm going to show you why and I'm going to show you how. So there's a lot of things on this map listing that needs to get done, right? One of them is, filling out the information, getting reviews, adding pictures, and of course, building a website, right? So whenever we take your Google My Business map listing and we run it through our heat map tool, this heat map shows everywhere your map listing is and is not being ranked. So this is what I'm talking about. If I look for foundation repair, let's just say I'm a customer, like most people do, they search Google. They're going to see these ads, and then they're going to see these map listings. Well, check this out, Daniel. 75 to 80% of these online searchers who are ready to spend money, they call one of these top three businesses and do business with one of these top three map listings, right? These top three get 80% of the traffic. So this is what your heat map is showing. Like in cost of view, when someone's searching for a foundation repair, yeah, you are going to show up, #1. But if anybody goes down the street to this area right here, literally down the street, town crossing, you're going to be #10, which means there's 9 businesses stacked on top of you. They're going to end up calling one of these top 3 businesses, right? Like DFW Foundation Repair, they're getting a bunch of calls in this Mesquite area, East Dallas. So they're making a lot of sales just based off of this, right? So this is why your Google My Business map listing is the most important, because right now you're missing out on a lot of calls and a lot of sales. You're missing out on a lot of money just from online search alone. And then whenever you start attracting more clients online, you do a good job out there, of course they're going to refer other people to you, and it's a snowball effect, right? Is it possible to even take over a bigger area? Yes, it is possible. We've done it. We've done it before. We've done it in Philadelphia. We've done it all across the United States, right? Philadelphia Foundation Repair, right? Why is this important? Because this one map listing and this one website and this one just by itself, we've gotten over 113 calls within the last 30 days from December to today, right? 113 calls just from that one. That's it, because we're #1 all across this metro area. So I'm telling you, these map listings are very super crucial and important. With that said, if you need help, setting any of this stuff up, feel free to reach out. All right. Happy New Year's. God bless.